Did Stone Age man invent church bells 15,000 years ago? Ceremonial boulders were hit like gongs to call the community to funerals. They were among the first Stone Age humans to abandon the nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle in favor of living in settled villages around 15,000 years ago. Now archaeologists have discovered the Natufian culture that lived in the Levant in modern-day Israel may also have pioneered the concept of church bells to summon the community together. Researchers have discovered strangely shaped boulders they believe were used as ceremonial gongs that were pounded during burial ceremonies. The giant stones were thought to have been used as mortars to pound food, but scientists have found the action would also have produced a distinctive sound audible for miles around.